Jai Sriman
Then immediately Rama started Chiram Babandha Sitayah. While so many people are looking, Ramachandra Swami helping Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami tying that saree upon the silk saree, and while he is doing that, while Rama is tying saree to Sitamma, all the mothers, all the girls, everybody started crying loudly. Antah puragata naryo mumuchuhu varinetrajam. Suddenly, all of a sudden, all the ladies and mothers, everybody started crying and asking, "Oh Rama, it is not mandatory for Sitamma to be in the forest. Nobody told to Sitamma, please leave Sita here. We all will take care of Sita very well. We all will enjoy yourself in Sita until you come back. Please don't take Sita. She is so delicate. She cannot live in the forest." Like this, all the people are started crying and requesting Rama, but even before they completed their request, Rama completed tying that Nara Sira, Nara Vastram, Nara saree to Sitamma. When Sitamma got that saree done, Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi could not take it anymore. He immediately started getting very, very furious to Kaikamma. Now he is opening his mouth. Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi, the one who has Brahmajnanam, now speaking out in front of everyone in that Ayodhya Nagaram. Vasishtha Maharshi getting so much mad at Kaikamma, saying that, "Ho Kaikamma, Ati Pravrutte, Durmedhe, Kaikeyi, Kulapamsani. How dare you are behaving like this? How disgusting you are behaving like this. Ho Kaikamma, why are you destroying this entire Ikshvaku Vamsam? Don't you have any kind of good character at all? Ho Kaikamma, why are you doing like this? How many people are looking at you so disgusting? What is happening to your buddhi? Why is your buddhi so dirty?" Like this, Vasishtha Maharshi getting mad at Kaikamma and also saying that, "Ho Kaikamma, there is no need of Sitamma to go to forest at all. Sitamma is not going to Vanavasam. Ho Kaikamma, listen to me. Sitamma will be here until Rama comes back. Sitamma is the one who is going to rule this kingdom. Sita, Prakrutam, Asanam. Sitamma is the one who will be the king of this entire kingdom. Ho Kaikamma, listen to me. Atmeyamiti Ramasya Palayishyati Medinim. Sitamma is the life of Rama. Sitamma is the soul of Rama. Until Rama comes back, on behalf of Rama, Sitamma is the one who is going to be ruling this entire world, entire earth. Ho Kaikamma, if you still behave so stubborn, if Sita and Rama is going to go to forest, listen to me, we all will be following them. There will be nobody in this Ayodhya. Entire Ayodhya will be following Sita Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.